Afrusun Inc. is a heating cooling systems company with a team of trained and licensed technicians in Ontario with many years of experience in the field of heating, cooling, and ventilation systems. They are proud to design, install, service, and repair all central heating and cooling systems, including split ductless, floor heating, ice melting, water heaters, tankless, boilers, and all types of fireplaces, servicing both residential and commercial clients in the GTA and around Ontario. For more information about our company's services and rebate programs, please contact us at telephone number 647-782-7000 or email us at afrosuninc@gmail.com.